Hi everyone, I'm Andrei Damian and I welcome you back to this new episode of our Ratio1 Protocol 101 tutorial series. Last couple of episodes we discussed about installing the SDK, running some very simple code such as listening for heartbeats on the nearby nodes, and we also discussed about the need for manual configuration of the SDK, which is pretty normal and pretty usual for a SDK that's based on online communications. So, as promised, we kind of delivered before the deadline. So, starting with the current version 2.6 of the SDK, there is no more need for manual configuration, as the SDK it's using a specialized decentralized authentication service that basically auto-completes and performs self-configuration for the SDK. So for this episode, we're gonna see how that actually worked, and we're gonna have a look at our upgraded development environment. Okay, so with respect to the development environment, we added the dev container folder. We have here the JSON, a very simple JSON that allows us to have a little bit of extra help by persisting from one dev container session to another. The folder where the configuration information of the neural protocol is saved, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about, and the Docker file, very pretty straightforward Docker file. So, like I said, we just fired up the dev container. As you can see, we don't have any kind of host, port, users, whatever, passwords, the things that were supposed to be inside this configuration. However, if we run an nepctl get nodes, you can see that the Neural Edge protocol CLI will automatically get the configuration and the authentication information, so it's actually able to connect to the network and get this information. That's it for now. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to our video channel. Take care, stay ahead of the curve, and use the latest version of the SDK. Test, refine, and repeat. Goodbye.